Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, good to see you here. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and share them around. Now, I'm going to get straight into it here. I've had my trusty Engle fridge. It's an Engle Eclipse. Absolutely love it. Had it for quite a while now, but what I've done is I've gone out and I've bought a King's 60 litre upright fridge. Now I'm going to unpack this and I'm going to run through a few of the reasons why I've done this, and then keep an eye out because I'm going to do a video and see if I actually like the upright fridge over the chest type fridge freezer. Now, one of the reasons that I have done this is that, yeah, I've got the King's drawers. I haven't got a fancy drop down slider. Now when I slide this out, I find it's about my head height. So when I want to get into my fridge, it's really awkward to get in here. I find that I'm trying to climb up on the edge here like this, get in, look, rummage around, find what I want. Or the other option is that I take the basket that's in it out and I get there and then I rummage around in that with my food and then I put it back in. Now sometimes, depending on what I've got, the basket can be quite heavy. And yeah, I'm just getting tired mostly of having to climb up because you can't see over in it. Now the other reason that I am looking into replacing it, and I'll bring you into the car here because it's actually in the car. The other reason that I'm looking at replacing it is that when I pack this area here or the other area and I pull my drawer back, stuff falls down into my lower drawers, and when I go to shut it, it jams. So the long and the short of it, I absolutely love my Engle. It can be a fridge, it can be a freezer. But due to the height of my vehicle, I've decided that I'm going to get an upright. Now, I don't know if this is a good idea yet. I'll let you know. The reason being that when you open your chest freezer, your cold air all stays sitting down inside. Therefore, in theory, it should be more efficient because your cold air keeps your food cold. When you open the door on this one, it's gonna all fall out. I'll get to that when we unbox it. So let's pull this out. Brand new from King's. I took a drive in there the other day and well, I was actually going past. So I stopped in and picked it up. Now, it's a 1224 volt, average power consumption is 52 watts. Not as strong a build as an Engle, but for what I'm doing, it doesn't really matter. It's 60 litres as opposed to the other one, which is 45. So I'm getting a bit extra space, but let's open it up. Now I'm interested to see what this thing comes like. We've got a big foam thing. I'll pick this up later because I'm out in the bush, don't want to leave that as rubbish. Now, this is going to get interesting on my table. It's got a bit more weight in it than I thought. Oh, hang on. Brilliant, Kings. Good work, Kings. Watch this, guys, just found it. Straps holding it together, but watch this. Well done, Kings. Nice packaging idea there, Kings. Leaves you with your fridge, nice, open, easy to access, ready to go. Now that's the fridge there that I've bought. It looks pretty decent. I'll lift it out, put it on the table. Now, as you can see, I can easily lift this fridge in two hands, which is a bit of a weight saving, which is good. Now, the reason I didn't go for the 85 litre, the 85 litre actually has it's a bit taller and has a small freezer, is that this is my daily driver and I still wanted the gap in the top to be able to put stuff up on top of it, be able to see through. Now, it does come with a fairly short cable to plug it in. Now it comes with your Anderson type plug, so if you're going to buy one of these, make sure you've got your Anderson plug. We'll open it up in the here sitting on the thing. I did like, when I looked at it in store, the latch system. So you can already see that I'm not going to be digging around inside. Let's get the other one out and we'll compare the two. Now I've got my Engle tied down with straps. The upright fridge actually comes with little mounting brackets that you screw it down, which I'm unsure of because I will take this in and out. As I said, it's my daily driver. So I'm going to have to try and find a way to mount this fridge in here so that I can take it out easily. Now, my Engle is actually a lot heavier than the new fridge, which is going to save me weight on my GVM. I am running fairly close when I'm fully loaded, but as you can see, height difference, there's not that much difference. It is a little bit longer in depth, and I've still got that plugged in. Okay, it is a little bit longer in depth, but that's neither here nor there because we're going upright now. So yeah, the biggest thing I think is going to be on my saving is my weight and the fact that I don't have to climb up into the car. If it's sitting here at this height, great. So don't get me wrong, I'm not selling my Engle just yet. I'm keeping it. It may end up in a trailer yet, not sure. But here we have the two fridges. Let's put this one in the car and see what it looks like. As I said, this one is light. No way I'll be doing that with the Engle. Now, as you can see, I can now walk up to my car. When I open the door, work out, there it is. I can take out my nice cold beverage, have a drink, get my food out, ready to cook and have a good meal. Now I don't want to be opening it up too much. Close it up, do my cooking, or I normally cook on here sometimes. Do my cooking. Now I'm going to have to get used to that. It is a little bit of a, you pull the handle up, but then you've actually got a pull, which is a little weird, but it's got a good locking system on it. Okay, let's plug it in. Probably should look at the instructions. I just want to make it work. I just want to make it go. So there's the little mounting brackets. As I said, they go on the sides. They go on the sides there like that and are supposed to hold it up, whereas this one I had held down with straps. Now I'm not sure if I can do that on that fridge. Great user manual, probably should read it all one day. It's just got the power consumption there, which I've already gone through. It runs R134A gas. And yeah, okay, that's interesting. I just noticed here, equalizing. Each time the upright fridge is turned on, it should be allowed to run for at least 12 hours before it is used. A good tip is to turn it on, the upright, a day before the trip. Now, I never used to do that with this one. I would load my food in. Sometimes I'd rock up at the supermarket, come out with the trolley, plug it in, and away we go. But yeah, as we all know, a fuller fridge is more efficient. But let's turn it on. And lucky I bought my cable, because the plug that it has come with is not actually quite long enough to reach where I'm plugging it in. So if you're going to buy one of these, keep in mind it comes with the Anderson style plugs, not a cigarette lighter plug, and it's quite short. There we go, on and running, power button here. It's making fridge noises, so we're away. You can adjust your temperature to what temperature you want, and yeah. Anyway, that's my reasons for going from an Engle to a King's upright fridge. I'll bring you another video once I've used it. Going out this weekend, taking a bunch of kids out canoeing. So this will be stocked up with food for my weekend. I'm going to give it a run, see how it goes, see if I actually like it. But already, much easier to get my cold drink and my food than climbing up into the back. Well guys, that's it for today. If you've liked my videos, make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Don't forget, I have some merchandise out there. Wearing one of my shirts. I'm not the best model, but hey, if you like it, link below. Help support me so I can keep bringing you great videos. Guys, see you around on YouTube. Get out there.